If you are seeing the status access violation error in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is a common browser error that many users experience while opening websites, streaming videos, or browsing normally. In most cases, the error appears suddenly and may cause Chrome tabs to crash or web pages to stop loading properly. The problem is usually related to browser updates, corrupted files, extensions, memory issues, or compatibility problems. The good news is that this issue can usually be fixed within just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the status access violation error in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's start with the easiest solution. Completely close Google Chrome and reopen it. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes trigger this error randomly. After reopening Chrome, test the website again and check whether the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next important step is updating Google Chrome. Outdated browser versions are one of the most common causes of the status access violation error. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Once the update finishes, click Relaunch to restart the browser. After Chrome reopens, try visiting the website again. If updating Chrome does not fix the problem, check your browser extensions. Certain extensions, such as ad blockers, script modifiers, VPNs, or browser enhancement tools, can conflict with Chrome and cause crashes. Type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. Disable all extensions temporarily, then restart Chrome and test the browser again. If the error disappears, one of the extensions was causing the issue. You can re-enable them one by one to identify the exact extension responsible. Another useful fix is renaming the Chrome executable file. This sounds advanced, but it is actually very simple. Close Chrome completely, then open the Chrome installation folder on your computer. In most Windows systems, Chrome is located inside the Program Files folder under Google and Chrome. Find the file called chrome.exe. Right-click it and rename it slightly, for example to chrome1.exe. After renaming it, open Chrome again using the renamed file. In some cases, this method fixes the status access violation error immediately. You should also clear Chrome cache and cookies because corrupted browser data can sometimes trigger this error. Open Chrome settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. After the process finishes, restart Chrome and test again. If the problem continues, try resetting Chrome settings completely. Search for Reset inside Chrome settings and click Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets browser settings and disables extensions without deleting bookmarks or saved passwords. You should also scan your computer for malware because malicious software can interfere with Chrome and cause unusual crashes or memory errors. Use Windows Security or a trusted antivirus program to run a full system scan. If nothing works, uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome may solve the problem completely. Download the latest version directly from the official Chrome website and install it again fresh. So that's the easiest way to fix the status access violation error in Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are updating Chrome, disabling problematic extensions, renaming the Chrome executable file, clearing cache data, turning off hardware acceleration, and reinstalling Chrome if necessary. Most users can solve the issue quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.